Welcome to my channel, where you'll learn simple tutorials, freelancer tips, and hidden tricks that make your online journey easier. With clear steps.
In today's video, I'll be telling you the real reason I opened this channel. I created this space to share simple, clear, beginner-friendly lessons. You're going to see easy tutorials, freelancer tips, and hidden tricks. I'll be breaking everything down step by step in a way you can understand. From using the right tools to learning new skills and tricks, I'll guide you. My goal is to make your online journey faster, easier, and clearer. If you want to grow and learn smart methods, this channel is for you to learn more. Make sure you stay with me and click the subscribe button below to stay updated.